Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look here at a brand new Zinger 390 DB travel trailer here. This thing has 3 slide outs. It's 2 full bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You have huge power awnings down the side here, triple entry door, double axle, enclosed underbelly. A lot of cool features packed into a large family trailer here. So stepping up into the new Zinger, in the middle section here is kind of the living room kitchen area. So you're going to have 2 completely freestanding pushback recliners, dinette and chairs over there, nice large windows there as well. They're using that woven material on the main slide floor here, and then all linoleum on your regular slide floor, or your regular subfloor here. So over here, you're going to have 2 refrigerator setups, quite a bit of storage, traditional microwave, propane oven, 3-burner cooktop, full extending ball bearing drawer, got drawers, big Jensen TV, electric fireplace. But overall, a pretty decent little living area here in the middle. And then back here, you're going to have one of your 2 bedrooms. So right here, we have a queen bed, some storage up above, window opens. There's storage underneath of the bed as well. You're going to have large dresser area here. There's TV hookups on the wall. There is an entry-exit door going right in and out of this bedroom as well. There's a vent up here. There's also prepping right here for the Gateway Connect Wi-Fi thing that you can buy aftermarket and subscribe to like AT&T or Verizon. You're going to have your own bathroom back here for this bedroom. Vent up top. Medicine cabinet area, some storage, sink area, porcelain foot flush toilet. And then you have a step-in shower, which also has a little crank-up vent there as well. Sliding door for privacy here. And going on up into the front side here, you're going to also have your second bathroom. The unit has an on-demand water heater, by the way, control here in the hallway. Digital thermostat for your ducted AC and furnace system. And up here is going to be your second bedroom right here. So we got, again, a bed that'll raise up for extra storage. There is storage up above here. This one was ordered with that second AC, so you got another AC right up here. You'll notice too throughout parts of the RV where it has these little yellow stickers on some of the electric outlets, which means it's inverter prepped. If you wanted to put an inverter system on it, you could do so. Little dresser area, TV area here. You're also going to have washer dryer hookups or just a large closet here, depending on what you want to use it for. But you could do a combo or a stack washer dryer. If you do the stack washer dryer there, you do have to take out the shelf here. Pretty good size closet. Little shelf space up top. So you can get to your bathroom from your bedroom on this side as well. Again, entry-exit door going out of this bedroom. You're going to have controls here on the side for your 3 slides, your 2 outside awnings, some light switches, monitor panel for your holding tanks and everything. Water pump switch for the portable water. All right, step back outside here. We'll just spin around the outside for you real quick. You'll see that little yellow advertisement sticker there talking about the limited 3-year structural warranty. May not sound like a lot, but sometimes in the RV industry it is, because a lot of brands only have a 1 year. But again, 2 traditional RV entry doors, and you got that sliding glass door, deep tent safety glass windows. You're going to have an electric outlet and cable outlet here if you want to do a TV outside. Your gravity fill fresh water tank fills up there in the middle. This one was ordered with traditional heavy-duty stabilizer jacks, spare tire mounted on the back here. It was ordered with prepping for the rear Furrion observation camera and also the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Those are nice things you can buy aftermarket to add on to the RV. You're gonna have cable inlets, black tank flush and city water back here, your detachable 50 amp power cord right here, and your on-demand water heater. There's a dumping section back here for this area. A little bit of storage again under that bedroom area. Now you could do slide out awning covers on your rooms if you want. That's something else to consider. That's a nice feature. Helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Hot and cold outside utility shower right here, second to black tank flush. And you're going to have hot and cold low point water drains down below, and then a second dump area for the kitchen and front bathroom area as well. Again, storage underneath of the front bed. The front is kind of rounded back a little bit, trying to make it a little more aerodynamic than the traditional flat front, but lower diamond plate. Some storage here as well. You can see here where again it's prepped for solar, and you could do inverter stuff if you want to aftermarket. Another light in here. You're going to have some informational stuff here as far as your stickers for weights. This one grosses out at 10,440 pounds. Let's see, it has, oh no, I take that back. This one has a dry weight of 10,440 pounds. It has a gross weight of 13,460 pounds. Tire size, ST 235 80R 16 E-range tires with a 90 PSI cold, so very important to keep up with that. It's also prepped on the side and back again for cameras, so you could do a 3-camera system. You have 2 20-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover and the auto changeover regulator, manual tongue jack. You also have the 2 5/16 hitch ball. There is a battery disconnect system here as well, and room for 1 or 2 batteries to go on here. There's also right there prepping for a portable solar panel as well. So if you didn't want to put one on the roof, you could at least plug in a portable one if you needed to. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour. Please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.